In this example, we're going over the Discover our reference establishments. And over here, you can enter the name of the establishment alongside the city, and you can make the proper search. And you have the key data with the number of projects and expenses of the month. And then you have the notifications, which are part of the alerts. And then over here for my actions, you can create a project. And then over here, you have the events and commercial step, and then the events in the execution step. Over here, you have the last establishments visited alongside the event and execution step, which are all these. And then you have the events and commercial step, which is all of this right here. And then you have the selection, and you can go back up over here. All of that was finished. You can take a look up here in order to have questions answered about things that you might have not known about. So you click up here and it highlights everything that you need to be known. And if you click at Find a Place, you were to click up here, it would highlight all the general information that is needed to be answered in case you're having any questions about this certain page. And we will take a look at the links over here. Take a look at the link and Find a Place. We will go to the search, and we will take a look at the page. Over here we have the general information to where you can enter the date, the end date, number of participants, and you have everything else down here, including the geography, and you can enter your city, the stars, the accessibility, and everything else. So for this example, we will have 50 participants, and we can see there's 20,782 establishments. And if we click accommodations, we can see that the list has narrowed down, and you are able to see the different types of features that this includes. So you can click this over here, you can click grid, you can click over here, you can click the favorites and narrow that down. It's only 7. And you can show all the establishments which are presented on the map. And you can go down, you can enter the city that you want, including the name of the establishment. Of course, there's everything else. You can go up here and you can select a project and create a project. Next, we will be looking at create an event. And over here, you are able to properly create a project. And then for create an event, which is much simpler, you're able to have the event name, the objectives of your event, the start date, the number of participants, the types of services, and then you can do that over here. And after that, you can request a proposal, which has some similar things included. And after that, we will take a look at the events. Before we look at events, we will look at the request for an estimate. And you can see all the events over here after this loads. So in the events for commercial step, we can see all the events over here. And you can take a look at the history, which shouldn't take as long. Yes. And everything is over here. And we will head over to events in progress. And that's what it is. And then the history, which is similar to what was seen before, and the event type, which is Very similar to what we've seen before, and you are able to create a new event by copy, or you can just simply remove it. We'll head over straight to tools to where we can see the schedule of events. And over here we are able to generate a report from using an example like this, and you're able to see the advanced settings and head over to messages, then notifications. We can head over to my account, which holds all the important data, and can head over to subscription, and then we can head over to company, and then users, and my personal data. And this concludes this section, and I hope you all enjoyed it.